Hello everyone, welcome to Shaily's Education Center. If you are new to my channel today, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Today in our sociology class, I will discuss about Talcott Parsons. Talcott Parsons is well known as a fundamental thinker whose domain was vast. His manifold ideas in sociology, including many new concepts he introduced, literally to give a full shape to the subject of sociology. He wrote a thesis on capitalism in recent German literature and was awarded a PhD degree. He was offered the chair of sociology at Harvard, USA. He was famous for his social system theory. So, let's start. Talcott Parsons, 1902 to 1979. Concept of social system. Talcott Parsons is an iconic figure in sociology, more so in the history of functionalism. He is credited to have introduced the concept of structure in the functional theory and developed the much acclaimed theory of the social system. He was the president of the American Sociological Society. Parsons was thinking to build a new society in the way he perceived the evidence of which can be found in his social system. Talcott Parsons is best known for his system theory. As an evolutionary thinker, he has developed a social system which is both complex and dynamic. According to him, social system consists in a plurality of individual actors interacting with each other in a situation which has a physical and environmental aspect, and actors who are motivated in terms of a tendency to the optimization of gratification and whose relation to their situations, including each other, is defined and mediated in terms of a system of culturally structured and shared symbols. His social system incorporates within the framework of a structural functional form, which is the byproduct of the social system. Sociologist Alex Callinicos told that the social system represents the first full statement of what Parsons calls it structural functionalism. The central concept used by Parsons to explain the pattern of social evolution is the structural differentiation, which refers to the tendency of social institution to become more specialized. This structural system is functionally more specific and specialized to deliver wide range of activities and services, such as role allocation of individuals and distribution of rewards, value-laden social institutions like economic, educational, civil service, and political systems, etc., which are a major aspect of a social structure. They have to function within the integrated social structure. A society or an organization to exist must have a structure before it can deliver any functions. Theoretically, the structures and the functions of the society can be separated, but in reality, they are inseparable. In his social system, there is no place of individualism. But in his system, there is a place for all individuals who would play their parts and contribute to build a society. In his system, an individual plays two roles. One as a member of the family and the other as member of the community. In both the roles, a person has to follow the rules of society which will guide them to achieve all the goals of the social system. Person's social system depends entirely on certain prerequisites. Together, they are called the AGIL, A-G-I-L. That is adaptation, goal, attainment, integration, and latency. To him, equilibrium in society is achievable if all the prerequisites can function fully and efficiently and in cooperation with one another in order to deliver objectives. Social life has a tendency to be and to remain functionally an integrated phenomenon, so that any change in one part of the social system will bring about adjustable changes in other parts. Talcott Parsons explained that his social system together contains three subsystems. The first is personality, which represents individuals internalizing motivation, moral values, and beliefs, because they are also integral to a fully developed, vibrant society. His second subsystem is a social system in which individual roles and positions are structured. The third one is a cultural system or the core values of the society. Talcott Parsons still stands out as the leading sociologist of Western Europe. His social system exists in many forms in many countries. Hope you all got it. If so, please like, share and subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for updates and give your comment on it. So, this is for the day. Thank you.